Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to morEwish Cuisine. If you're a fan of white chocolate and especially lattes and often run to drive through, now you don't have to. I'm sharing a very quick and easy recipe which is very inexpensive. You just need a bag of white chocolate. So without further ado, let's go and make it happen. So let's start the recipe. Bismillah. First, I'll make coffee. Since I'm using instant coffee, so I'll add everything in a saucepan, water and coffee granules. Now I will add milk and white chocolate. Make sure you are buying good quality white chocolate. That will make a lot of difference. And after adding everything in a saucepan, we will take it to the stove and start cooking until white chocolate completely melts. Now if you're not using instant coffee, add your espresso shot right at this point. Taste it, and if you want you can add a little bit of sugar in there too. Now transfer it onto serving cup and top it off with some whipped cream. Sprinkle some nutmeg or cinnamon powder and some grated white chocolate, and your white mocha latte is ready to serve. Now I don't want to say it again how easy and quick this recipe is. You have seen it with your own eyes, and trust me on that, it exactly tastes like when what you get from drive through. And if you're trying this recipe and enjoying this warm cup of white mocha latte in these cold winter snow days, so please let me know how it turned out with you. If you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below and I will try my best to make it happen for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. And if you like this recipe, don't forget to click on the links to enjoy a lot more recipes like this.